What's up YouTube? I'm bringing you this video to show you the disaster of my 700 R4. So I sent it to go get rebuilt, and I'm pretty much showing you guys right now me opening it and showing you how bad it was. So this is it coming back, being picked up and installed into the truck. It's a 700 R4 fully built with a shift kit installed, runs great. And I also decided to, while I was under there, to add my exhaust. So I built 2.5 to 3 inch exhaust. So hope you guys like this video, and I'll be uploading another one soon. And if you guys have any comments or questions, just comment below, question below. Again, thank you and thanks for watching.